When most people think of farm animals, they picture a peaceful countryside scene. Cows grazing in fields, chickens pecking the ground, and pigs lounging in the mud. But behind that seemingly simple life lies a world of surprising intelligence, emotion, and quirky behaviors that most of us never hear about. These animals are more than just food producers or barnyard residents. They have fascinating lives filled with traits and talents that will totally blow your mind. Let's take a journey through the farmyard and uncover 15 of the wildest, weirdest, and most wonderful facts about the animals you thought you knew. Let's start with cows. Often underestimated as slow-moving grazers, cows are actually highly social and emotionally intelligent animals. Cows have best friends. That's right, cows don't just randomly mingle in the field. They form deep social bonds and have preferred companions. When separated from their best friends, cows become noticeably distressed. Scientists have even observed increased heart rates and signs of anxiety in cows that are isolated from their closest peers. If you notice a cow refusing to leave another's side, know this: it's not random, it's true barnyard friendship. Cows have excellent memory. They have the ability to remember both people and other animals for years. They can recall faces and past experiences, which helps them navigate their social groups and avoid stressful situations. For instance, a cow that had a negative interaction with a person is likely to remember and avoid them in the future, proving that these animals are not only observant but also emotionally aware. Cows have 4 stomach compartments. Many people believe cows have 4 separate stomachs, but that's not quite accurate. They actually have 1 stomach divided into 4 compartments: the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. This unique digestive system allows them to break down tough plant material like grass, extract nutrients, and even ferment food in a way that few other animals can. It's like a built-in fermentation lab inside their bellies. From the cow pasture, we wander over to the pig pen, home of one of the most intelligent animals in the animal kingdom. Pigs are incredibly smart. They rank up there with dogs and dolphins in terms of intelligence. Pigs can learn their names, navigate mazes, and even play basic video games using joysticks. In some studies, pigs have been shown to outperform dogs in memory and problem-solving tasks. Forget pig-headed, these creatures are clever, curious, and highly trainable. Pigs don't actually sweat. Despite the popular phrase, sweating like a pig, pigs have very few sweat glands. They rely on mud to regulate their body temperature. Rolling in mud not only keeps them cool, but also acts as a natural sunscreen and bug repellent. So what looks like messy behavior is actually a sophisticated form of self-care. Newborn piglets recognize their mom's voice. Even more adorable, piglets can identify their mother's specific grunt just hours after being born. When she calls, they rush to her, often out of a crowd of other piglets. This vocal recognition helps keep families close and feeding times efficient in the chaos of the pig pen. As we wander past the pig pen, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying these barnyard facts. Next up, sheep, who are anything but woolly wallflowers. Sheep can recognize over 50 faces. Studies show sheep can remember the faces of more than 50 other sheep or even human faces for years. They use this ability to navigate their social groups and identify familiar individuals. Who knew sheep were walking, bleeding, biometric scanners? This impressive memory helps them build social hierarchies, avoid past bullies, and stick close to trusted companions. In other words, they don't just recognize faces, they remember how they feel about them too. Sheep have rectangular pupils. This isn't just a cool optical feature, it serves an important purpose. Those wide horizontal pupils give sheep a field of vision of nearly 270 degrees. This means that they can see almost everything around them without moving their heads, allowing them to stay alert to predators even while grazing peacefully. Sheep are surprisingly smart. While they're often seen as followers, sheep are capable of solving simple problems and learning from experience. In one study, sheep learned how to navigate complex mazes and retained the knowledge over time. Their intelligence may be more subtle than that of pigs, but it's definitely there. Next, we meet the mischief makers of the barnyard, goats. With their love for climbing and their quirky personalities, goats are both amusing and surprisingly complex. Goats have accents. Yep, you heard that right. Just like people from different regions develop different accents, goats adapt their vocalizations depending on their social environment. When a goat joins a new herd, it might start tweaking its bleats to blend in, like picking up the local accent. Goats are natural climbers. They are equipped with amazing balance, strong legs, and specially adapted hoofs that help them climb steep, rocky surfaces. Their hoofs have a hard outer shell for grip and a soft, rubbery pad in the center that acts like a natural climbing shoe, giving them incredible traction. In places like Morocco, you can find goats perched high in argan trees, munching away on leaves and fruit, a sight that's equal parts hilarious and impressive. Some goats have even been spotted scaling near vertical dam walls, casually defying gravity like it's no big deal. Their climbing skills aren't just a party trick, they help goats access food and evade predators in the wild. Goats' eyes are horizontal. Like sheep, goats have rectangular pupils. These unique eyes give goats a panoramic view of the world around them, helping them spot predators and navigate tricky terrain. It's a visual superpower that makes them excellent climbers and foragers. And finally, we arrive at the coop, where chickens cluck and peck away, often dismissed as simple creatures, but these birds are full of surprises. Chickens can recognize over 100 faces. Chickens live in complex social groups and use facial recognition to remember their flock mates and even human caretakers. If you've ever had a chicken follow you around the yard, chances are it remembers your face and probably associates you with treats. Chickens dream when they sleep. Like humans, they experience REM sleep, which is associated with dreaming. That means your backyard hens may be dreaming about their last dust bath, a tasty snack, or a dramatic face-off with the neighborhood cat. Scientists believe this dream state may help chicken process memories and emotions, just like it does in mammals. So while they might seem simple on the outside, there's a whole world of activity happening in their tiny feathered heads at night. Chickens talk to their chicks before they hatch. One of the most heartwarming facts about chickens is that mother hens begin communicating with their chicks while they're still in the egg. The hen makes soft clucking sounds and chicks peep back from inside. This early bond helps the chicks recognize their mother's voice immediately after hatching, a sweet start to a lifelong connection. From the emotional bonds of cows to the high-climbing antics of goats and the surprising social smarts of chickens, farm animals are anything but boring. These creatures have personalities, complex behaviors, and abilities that rival even our most beloved pets. They form friendships, solve problems, recognize faces, and even dream. So whether you're driving by a pasture or handing out feed at a petting zoo, take a moment to appreciate the secret lives behind those barnyard eyes. Which animal surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun facts every week, right here on Mega Fact Attack, your go-to channel for uncovering the strange, smart, and surprising sides of our world.